Whatever you are sitting in right now, it feels permanent, but it never is. I've had moments where I felt stuck in the place I was living in, financially, sometimes mentally. It almost feels like jail time when you're inside it. But then I ask myself something simple: how did I get here? And you trace it back. You realize this isn't the first current situation. There were others. Sometimes you were unhappy, frustrated, certain it would change, and yet it felt like a never ending story. Not because you panicked, not because you complained. It passed because you kept moving. Problem is when you treat your current phase like a life sentence. When you believe it's permanent, you act small. You stop looking for exits. You stop building. Most situations are chapters, not identities. And this one will pass too. The question is whether you grow through it or just survive it.